Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to repot this miniature phalaenopsis that I bought last week ago. So this is the different orchids than the bigger size orchids that I have here. This is the big phalaenopsis orchid, and look at this miniature phalaenopsis. Look like a cakey orchid, but it's not. They are the normal size, but they are just miniature, which means they are small variety of orchids. See how they put this in this glass without hole in the bottom? I don't think so if the orchids love it, because they want a lot of air ventilation with them. So today I'm going to show you this time how to repot this in the new orchid container here with full of holes. This is really I like for this kind of orchid containers. It's a lot of holes everywhere here, even in the bottom, as you can see. That's what I like with this new orchid container. It's really designed for the orchids, full of holes. Really awesome. Orchids love it for sure. There you are. See, you got really beautiful color. Look at the color of this one. It's miniature purple, darkish purple with some kind of white dotted on it. It's pretty nice, and there is a white dot here too. And look at this. So beautiful. Still a lot of buds in them that not open yet. So there you are. But I'm really dying to show you how to repot this phalaenopsis miniature one. They got 2 spikes, guys. 1 and 2 secondary spike, and there is 1, 2. It has 3 branches with a secondary spike too. So there you go. I can't wait this one to get open. I'm very excited. So there you are. Seems to me the roots is still healthy, but see the roots there? But I really have to check what's going on inside of this one. Okay. Okay guys, let's start it. Oh, and also I want the new sphagnum moss. Yeah, I see. I'm soaking this last night since yesterday, and like overnight I'm soaking this with the. I put the water with the nutrients too, so there is more nutrients on them, and orchids can thrive this as well, especially the new one. There you are. The water is pretty gone. It's all gone. To all the moss absorb it. Awesome. Let's see a bit more. See, it's more, still more water here. Bit of squeeze before I put that in here. Okay. Bear with me, everybody. Just chuck that here. I don't need to put water this right now because it's still pretty much water, okay? So here, that won't get quiet. We'll see what's inside here. The roots not even growing in this high. Gonna pull it. There you go. Wow. Really? Like they insert this one here. Wow. Look how cute this miniature phalaenopsis. Wow, I can see the roots here. Okay. We have to investigate the roots on this one. Let's see. There's still a lot of pretty roots in here. It's not a lot of roots actually. I see the spot on the top. I don't know what to do in the shop. Why this is always rotting here next to crown. See that one? See the rotting? This is terrible. Anyhow, we're going to cut it. At first, we have to remove this. Let's see what's going on in here. Going to remove this one. One more. There you are. This one as well. Remove the stake. Okay. So you see what's going on here. Hey guys, bear with me. I like this stake here because there is a pointy here, so when you put that one here, it just get right through here. So we don't have to throw this one. We just have to keep this so we can use it later on. Wow, look at this. You just put here one, you just inserted it. It's like really a decoration pot, you know. See what's going on in here. She may need a little bit more loosen. Bit more loosen. For sure. So I can easily remove it, you know. Just use the filtered water, guys. Okay. You see the roots in there? Straight away turn really green. But I can see that the roots is still pretty good. Really pretty good. Let's see what's inside. Do it slowly. Wow, this is very compact inside too. Okay. See how very compact inside? Wow. I'm not quite happy with that. Some roots are broke off too. Okay. More water. There you are. The reason I put more water on this because it's so easy to loosen this one. Helps you to remove this old medium moss here. There you are. See how easy and quick in that? I love the very easy going and quick way to do it. So yeah, absolutely water is really helpful. Yep. There is a lot of moss in here. Oh, some roots got broke off too. Oh wow. It's time for you to cut, mate. Just snap it like that. There you are. There you are. See how many amount of moss in the little miniature? I don't think so if these orchids can ventilate this really well here. That's why it's really advisable or really recommended to everyone. If you put the new orchids, you really have to check the root system on them, if there is a rotten or not, or what's inside in here. You really do have to check too. And if it's advisable, you have to change the mosto or new media into the new container. There you are. There you are, she's free now. Now she's free. Well, I heard that some people that you have, if the orchids is bloom like this, they reckon you don't have to transfer this or don't touch it while they are in the bloom. But I don't think so if this one is pretty happy right now with this glass here without any holes. And this one is pretty good. See how they really completely revive. You have to check more of these roots too. See that one? How terrible that one is. It's completely root rot. But most of the roots is pretty happy. See that one? Awesome. In the moss now. It's pretty cool. Still plenty of roots that look fresh. So yeah, it's not much rot in here, but I could see still a little bit here. Okay, so I'll just leave the other one. Okay. It's awesome. Okay. Wash it. Remove this as much as you can. Yeah. Yeah, nice and healthy and clean. Happy for that. Okay, it's finished. And I'm gonna use the filtered water just to rinse my root system. There you are. Nice and summer in my place now, so it's pretty good. And I wet here in the crown. I don't worry about that because I'm gonna use this towel here. Use the towel to dry this a bit here. Now if you wet this with water, you just quickly get the kitchen towel or anything that can absorb here with water. There you are. Dry a bit. There you are. Otherwise it will rot on you, There you go. There you go. Okay, now she's nice and looking good. I'm so pretty healthy. Look at that. Still nice and green leaves. It's really nice and not dehydrated. It's hydrated roots. This is what the roots look like if you look. Now, okay guys, I hope you learned something from me today, and how this phalaenopsis, miniature phalaenopsis, purple color with the white dotted, it's pretty, really pretty color. How to put this, or how to remove the old media. Look at this. You see that? That's the old media from right here. Right here. So this one is gonna go to the bin. We don't need it anymore. Bye bye old moss. And I'm still gonna use the new moss, but this moss, you see the brand new moss? It look pretty nice. See, brand new moss. Soak. Then this old moss here, right here. It look yucky and mushy. There is more here. There you go. Let's put more here. Now it's cut. She look nice. I'm very happy.